Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete process to download and install BlueStacks on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open any web browser. In the search bar, type in BlueStacks and press enter. From the search results, make sure to open this official website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see download button of BlueStacks. So click on it and the file will start downloading. After the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder. Locate the BlueStacks installer file and open it to start the installation. You may see a Windows security pop-up asking for permission. Just click Yes to continue. Now the BlueStacks installer will open up. Here, you can choose your install location if you want, or just leave it as default. Then click on the Agree and Install button. Now, wait for the installation process to complete. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and system performance. Once the installation is finished, BlueStacks will automatically launch on your PC. You'll now see the main interface along with the Play Store. Open it, and you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account, just like on an Android phone. After signing in, you can browse and install your favorite apps and games. For example, if you want to install a game, simply search for it and click on it. Then click on the Install button, and the app will start downloading and installing automatically. Once it's done, you can click on Play or access it directly from the home screen. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed BlueStacks on your PC or laptop and can now enjoy your favorite apps and games. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Clickfix Tech for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.